Mobile dent repair has become a preferred solution in Houston due to frequent hailstorms that cause widespread vehicle damage. Unlike traditional auto body repair, which involves sanding, fillers, and repainting, mobile technicians use paintless dent repair (PDR) techniques to restore dents from the inside out. This preserves the original factory finish, reduces repair time, and lowers costs while maintaining vehicle resale value. Houston's volatile weather, especially in areas like Harris, Fort Bend, and Galveston counties, often leads to sudden hail events that overwhelm fixed repair shops. Mobile services address this by offering on-site repairs, flexible scheduling, and faster response times, often completing minor repairs the same day. This convenience minimizes downtime for individuals, fleets, and dealerships. PDR is both an art and science, relying on specialized tools, precise lighting, and skilled technicians, crease kings, who manipulate metal with high accuracy. Techniques include controlled leverage, glue pulling, and heat management to avoid damaging the paint. Many providers also adopt eco-friendly methods, reducing waste and eliminating the need for solvents. Compared to body shops, mobile repair offers advantages in speed, cost savings, and simplified insurance handling. A typical service includes damage assessment, repair using advanced tools, and quality checks under multiple lighting conditions to ensure a flawless finish. Mobile Dent Repair in Houston excels by offering fast, convenient, and high-quality solutions for hail and minor cosmetic damage. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.